Hey, so check this out. This video right here is just for entertainment, but at the same time, it's an educational video to teach you how to turn your room from this to this. Not that room, this room. So if you want to see how I put all this together around the room and the outline and all that, stick around.
In these streets to prove shit, make these hoes remember my city. Call me face and see, I call my city Denver.
All right, check me out, y'all. So what I'm doing is installing these LED lights that go around the thing. So yeah, this is a 50 foot roll. I think it should fit around this whole room. What y'all think? Hey, do me a favor. You subscribe to the channel, like button. You know what I'm saying? Got that CEO merch. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, we just hopped on here to show y'all what it looked like before and after. You feel me? Because I started putting it up, and then I was like, maybe I should make a little video. Go on and hook up the mic so they can hear me while I'm hooking this up. And then plus I got my cameraman, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna follow me around. I wonder if this is sturdy enough, because I don't want to break nothing. Hey, y'all pray for me. You better not laugh either if something falls. All right. We coming across. Come on, we got it. All right, we got the corner. All right, y'all, we got the corner. Got it wrapped all the way around the wall. Got it going this way. Had to come down right there because it would not stick in that corner. Oh well. So now, let me go get my remote real quick. Just plug this right here now. Take this part. Yeah, that was as far as it was gonna go. Stick this part in like this, I believe. And then we turn it on. Check it out, y'all. Lights off. Turn it on. That's like oranges, red. Ooh, that shit bright. Boy, look. Can y'all see me? Probably it's too dark for y'all. Let me just show y'all. Look at that. Look at that. That's dope. All the way. And see, that's the way it look in the corner. Right there. So it goes all the way down the door. And all the way around. Oh, gimbal tripping. But yeah. That's green. Let's see. Blue. Ooh, look at that blue. What's that? Got all kind of purple. White. Whatever that is. Man, I like that. The room is litty. What y'all think about the room, man? This gimbal is so retarded. I like it. 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 That's dope. Yeah. Now, I might just do my living room. What y'all think? Hey, man. We in there. All right, y'all. This is with it off. Let's turn it on. Ain't that crazy? Wow. Oh, excuse me. Like whatever that is. It's supposed to be like a sky blue. Another sky blue. Man, whew, that's crazy. Damn. I like it. I like it. Oh, guess what else to do, y'all? Fade. Fade. Flash. That's all the colors. Slow. Quick. Alright, y'all, I'm just messing with this controller to see. Let me show y'all what it is. Alright, let me just show y'all real quick. Hey, man. The room is lit. The room is lit right now. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say, man. Till next time, the homie gonna tell you what to do.
Subscribe to the channel, motherfucker.
In these streets to prove shit, make these hoes remember my city. Call me face and see, I call my city Denver.